Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk through the brand new way to go to a message directly from received media on WhatsApp Web, right on your PC. If you often use WhatsApp Web for work or casual chats, this update makes finding the original message behind any photo, video, or document super quick and simple. Let's get started step by step. First, open WhatsApp Web on your computer. If you're not already logged in, scan the QR code using your phone and wait for your chats to load. Once everything's ready, take a look at the left side menu. You'll notice a media icon. It looks like a small image or gallery symbol. Click on it to open the new media tab. Now, choose media to access all the photos, videos, and other files you've received. Everything is neatly organized here, making it easier to browse through recent media or go back to older files. Once you find the media you're looking for, move to the top of the window and click on the Sort Our icon. This icon helps you filter your results for a smoother search. From the options that appear, select Others. This section gathers the remaining media items that don't fall under the main categories, like images or videos, usually links, voice notes, or files. It's perfect if you're trying to locate something less common or mixed in with other media types. After finding the right item, right-click on that piece of media. A small menu will appear with a few handy options. From that list, click on Go to Message. WhatsApp will instantly take you to the original chat message where that media was first shared. You can now read the full conversation context, see who sent it, and even reply or forward the message if you'd like. And that's it, a super easy way to jump straight from a media file back to its message in WhatsApp Web. With this update, managing your media and conversations has never been smoother. Try it out today and see how much faster your workflow becomes.